Hey guys, welcome back to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making an easy, delicious mug cake. Now, the reason I chose this recipe is because on Wednesday it was my birthday and I made an easy, delicious mug cake for myself. And I wanted to share this recipe with you guys. So let's get started. Well, we're gonna start off with a mug that you can put into the microwave. And what we're gonna do is in our mug, we're gonna put 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a dash of salt, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together with a fork. Once you have all your dry ingredients mixed in together, it should look like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now this butter is salted butter. 3 tablespoons of milk. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix this together until we don't have any lumps. Once you have all your ingredients mixed in together, it should look like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And that's how we're gonna bake our mug cake. So let's go. Okay everyone, so my mug is now in my microwave. And I'm gonna put my mug in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. This is how my mug cake turned out after being in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Now, I'm super excited to taste this. So let's taste it. Now, before we taste it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the video, to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Now let's taste this. You can add some sprinkles or chocolate chips for a little bit of extra to your mug cake. Look, it looks so good. Watch out, because it's hot. Oh my gosh, it tastes even better than a cake. This is a delicious recipe, so make sure to check it out. It is really good. Cheers. Bye guys. See you next time.